Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Coinbase card. First, make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified with all necessary identity documents. This is a crucial first step for eligibility. Next, confirm that the Coinbase card is available in your region, as availability can vary by country. Finally, remember you must be at least 18 years of age to proceed with your application. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, head over to the Coinbase card section in your Coinbase account or mobile application. Look for the clear option to apply for card and click or tap it to begin. You'll then be prompted to provide some additional personal details. Take a moment to carefully read through all the terms and conditions before moving forward. After submitting your application, Coinbase will begin reviewing your information. They might ask for additional identity verification documents to ensure everything is in order. The approval process usually takes a few business days, but sometimes it can be quicker or take a little longer. You'll receive a notification directly in your Coinbase account or via email once a decision has been made. Congratulations! Once approved, your physical Coinbase card will be mailed to the address on file, typically arriving within 7 to 10 business days. When it arrives, activate it easily through the Coinbase mobile application. You can then load funds directly from your Coinbase balance, choosing which cryptocurrency or fiat currency to use for your purchases and start spending right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.